And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
Welcome back to Channel 5 News this morning. Your time right now is 6:43. We're at Tuesday, so second day of the work week, getting closer and closer to the weekend. I'll have that outlook in just a few minutes. Right now, enjoy these temperatures outside at 65 degrees in Rio Grande City, Weslaco, Harlingen. All the same temperature. 64 in Edinburg, 74 in McAllen, 10-degree difference there. 66 in Raymondville to 68 in Brownsville and 81 degrees right now on the island. So not a bad start to the day. We're looking at a dry start with much of the valley pretty much dry, but we have been watching a few isolated showers along the coast. Really not a whole lot of activity this morning, and we're not expecting a whole lot this afternoon. When you look at your day planner forecast, it shows that we could see an isolated shower or two this afternoon. Starts along the coast and then makes its way west a little bit, but very isolated stuff. But temperature wise, we go from 68 to 88 by noon. Warms up pretty quickly, so be ready for the heat this afternoon. High temperatures will be right around 90 and we'll drop to 89 for your drive time home. The east winds will actually be picking up today between about 5 and 10 miles per hour. Taking a look at Boo Bash later on tonight at the McAllen Library. 6 o'clock is when that event kicks off and will be right around 88 degrees. But first, let me go ahead and go to Sky 5 real quick because I want to show you something out there with Sky 5. We have clear skies to start the day, but the thing about it is that the clouds, they will start to thicken up throughout the day today, and that's something that I did not show you on the day planner forecast, but it is bound to happen for those clouds to kind of thicken up, and then we'll see some rain showers. Let's go back to Future Track, and here it is. We look at Future Track starting at 6, a few coastal showers moving inland, and some of that those showers could move into Hidalgo County later on today, but they kind of fall apart as they move into the upper valley. We just don't have a whole bunch of moisture in the upper levels to support a whole lot of rain shower activity. But again, tomorrow it looks like we could have another rain shower or two, but your rain chances just remain very, very low. Setup across Texas shows high pressure in place, and a few clouds are moving in over the panhandle in the northwestern portion of the state, but we continue to pump in all of that lower level humidity, or moisture rather, so the humidity does remain in the mid to upper 60s, and it looks like nothing really changing our forecast anytime soon. So for Halloween, here's your outlook. On Monday, it looks like temperatures will start out near 70, go to 89 by noon. We'll be at probably the upper 80s, low 90s for much of the day on Halloween day, but by 5 o'clock, 90 degrees. It even looks like on Halloween night, things are going to be pretty mild out there, mainly in the 80s. So just get ready. It is going to be a warm holiday weekend and holiday on Monday. We're tracking the tropics. Here's the latest on Seymour. Hurricane category 3 there, moving west at around 15 miles per hour, potentially strengthening to a category 4 hurricane briefly before it starts to weaken again. And the thing about it is as long as it's over these warm waters, it will strengthen. But then as it makes its way north, that's where things start to change. It'll kind of fall apart over those colder waters, and the shear will kind of take it apart, and it even just fizzles out over maybe by the end of the work week into the weekend before it even gets back to the Baja Peninsula, so no threat there. High temperatures today right around 90 with a shower possible, and then you take a look at your overnight lows, and it's pretty mild out there, pretty nice. 68 degrees, back to 88 tomorrow and Thursday all the way through Friday, and there's a shower possible each day with 10 and 20% as your rain chances. Over the weekend, mainly dry in the 90s, so 91 on Saturday to 90 on Sunday, and even on Monday there for Halloween. Overnight lows will stay in the upper 60s and low 70s, so an above average end to October is expected. And that's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.